Hello everyone, InfiniteX back for another video, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to um, get Minecraft for free. So what you want to do first is subscribe and click the notification bell so you guys don't miss out anything. So let's get to the video. Now first I want you guys to actually open any browser. I already have Google open, so I recommend using Google Chrome. So after going to Google, type T launcher. Once you type TL, it probably should come. Now, if it comes like this, don't worry. Don't get the Google Translate though. They have a translation for English. Translate that. And over here, uh, press download TL. Now over here it's actually available for macOS and Windows 10 and Linux. So you guys can choose the platform you're playing on. After choosing that, it shows the download process like that. And once it's done, go here and open when done. So probably a file should come. Wait, yeah. Oh, I already have it open. That's right. Okay. No, I already have it, so I don't think it will download again. There will be a small wizard to help you though. Let's cancel this. There will be a small wizard. I'm gonna show you guys that wizard real quickly. Let's put it. So as you guys can see, let's go to my downloads and where is it? Ah, there it is. So once you go here, I already have it open, so I don't think it'll download again. After that, oh, it's initializing. Okay, there we go. It'll take you to this wizard after you download it. So to go to the it tells this wizard will help you to install T launcher. So what you want to do is click continue, and then you have to accept and stuff like that, and then you just have to wait for it to install. After install files, it'll start installing like this, and then run launcher, continue, and complete. And there we go. You have T launcher for free. Well, Minecraft for free. And I already have it. I'm gonna give you guys a small hint of it. Before that, you have to download Minecraft 1.16.1. So basically, they have already download have it in T launcher, so you guys can see it. And then it doesn't support skins yet, I guess. Wait, let's go to the comments and see. It says it's released though right here. I don't know, it's pretty weird though. I think it's not working. Doesn't matter, it happens. You guys might have experienced this. So anyways, you guys know now how to do it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys found this useful, please make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you guys can do it too if you want Minecraft for free. Of course, Minecraft Realms you have to buy, but the all the other stuff are there. So I'll see you guys in the next episode, and stay safe.